part 2 of my previous video. We're doing a soft glam on the face, and then I'm doing like a pinky smoky eye. I do have a House Labs palette that I want to try, and then I also want to try or use this Patrick Top palette. This Patrick Top palette has a little bit more of like base colors that I can use, and then the House Lab is more of like glittery vibes. I accidentally did that with my nail, so, and I want to use that shade, so let's play around with it. Here's this fluffy Sigma blending brush E25, and I'm gonna go in with this shade to start. I may stick to just this palette, and I'm gonna be using like these shades. I'm gonna go in with this Sigma tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna just jump right in and go in with this brown and a little bit of that color. And underneath, I'm just gonna go in with a shade that's like a little pasty. Go in here. It's a shade. She's a bit sparkly. I'm just gonna go around here. Left and go underneath. I'm gonna go back in with that light shade and just go in here and clean that out. Just left and add a bit more of that sparkle color. I'm gonna go in with this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Powder in the shade Fair and just go lightly underneath. For my lips, I'm going to apply a little bit more of the Buble, even though it's still there, just to kind of refresh them up. This is the Buble Lip Contour in light medium, one of Rose Inc.'s lipsticks. So she gave me 2 different shades, and this is a satin lip color. I'm gonna go in with, I think, Poetic. The shade is stunning. I'm gonna use a little bit of the blush that I used earlier, actually, also on top of the lips. To finish off the look, I'm gonna use a little bit of her highlighter on my nose. Gonna finish it off with this Caudalie Beauty Elixir Spray. Absolutely love how this look came out. It's so effortless, and the eyes are really the star of the show. Let me know what you guys think.